muslimcentral.com/donate.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers and sisters, welcome to Quranic Supplications. Today we're on our 9th video. It could be your 9th dua that you're studying. Please keep notes out in front of you so that you can see them and follow along while we're reciting. Today we're going to be studying a very important dua. It's the first Rabbana, the first request that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent to Adam alayhi salam in how to say sorry. And we see these words in Surah A'raf, ayah number 23. And let's use these to accept our fault. Because when we sin, when we transgress, it doesn't affect Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it affects us. So it's our loss. So when we say Surah A'raf, ayah number 23, remember the words, رَبَّنَا ظَلَمْنَا أَنفُسَنَا وَإِلَّمْ, gargle it, تغفر لنا, again commit, وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. Again, this dua very profound. Let's break up the first 3 words. ربنا ظلمنا, tongue out to the edge of the top teeth. أنفسنا وَإِلَّمْ, drop the noon completely. وَإِلَّمْ تَغْفِرْ لَنَا وَتَرْحَمْنَا لَنَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. لَنَكُونَنَّ, you have to press the noon at the end. نَنَّ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. Make this dua on a daily basis. Also when you sin, when you make a transgression, knowing that you did something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden us, make sure you read this dua. Remember that we hurt only ourselves by breaking the commandments of Allah. Seek forgiveness from Allah, for He loves it. Jazakallah khairan. I'll see you in the next Quranic supplication.
Mm-hmm.